If your government gateway account uses two-factor authentication, there's one extra step when connecting it to TaxScout. This video shows you exactly what to do. Before you start, you'll need two things: your government gateway user ID and password, as well as your two-factor authentication secret key. That's the long code shown in the box below the QR code on HMRC's Authenticator setup screen, not the 6-digit rotating code your app displays, but the longer string underneath it. In TaxScout, click Settings in the top right corner. If this is your first time connecting, use the Connect Government Gateway button on the overview page instead. Next, click the Add Government Gateway Login button to start. The Add Government Gateway Login screen will open. First, select your portal type, Classic for most practices, or MTD if you use Making Tax Digital. Tick the tax types that this login covers, and then give it a label so you can identify it later. Enter your government gateway user ID and password. Then in the two-factor authentication setup code field at the bottom, paste your secret key. Remember, this is the long code from HMRC's Authenticator app setup screen, not the short rotating one. Once everything is filled in, click Add Login. Socket will now show you the Verify two-factor authentication screen with a live 6-digit code. If your government gateway account already has two-factor authentication set up, just click Verify Connection. If this is your first time setting up two-factor authentication at HMRC, enter this code on HMRC's confirmation screen first and then come back to Socket and click Verify Connection. Once verified, you'll see your login listed in TaxScout Settings with a two-factor authentication verified tick. Socket will now handle your HMRC authentication automatically every time it syncs. If you have different logins for each portal, simply repeat the process to add each login to your TaxScout Settings page. TaxScout will start syncing straight away. You'll see a progress bar for each tax type with a live client count and ETA. Once complete, your HMRC data will be ready to view across all the tabs. If you have any questions, simply click the support bubble to speak to the Socket team.